Hi guys, this is Belgin. So in this video we are going to see how to implement Lottie animations in React Native. For that, first we have to go to Lottie React Native. Just search it in the web. You will get a GitHub link for it. Just go inside it. I will add these links in the description down below. Now let's learn how to install Lottie React Native. Okay, if you are using yarn, you can just copy this command here, yarn add Lottie React Native, or else you can just copy this code here. Just copy paste it. As I am using iOS right now, I am using npm i ---- save Lottie React Native. Once the installation is over, we can run the second command, npm i ---- save Lottie iOS at 3.2.3. Okay. Now, if you are using iOS, you have to do one more step, which is pod install. Just go to your iOS directory. Just press after pod install, press enter. Okay, so now we have successfully installed Lottie React Native in our application. Okay, now the second step. First, let's download a Lottie file. I mean Lottie in JSON file. Okay, for that we can go to Lottie files. You have a bunch of different files here. There are a lot of creators who have uploaded it in Lottie files. You can download them for free, and there are some paid also. So go to the Discover tab, click on free animations. As you can see here, there is a lot of animations that are getting loaded here. We can just search for the loading animation. Okay. As you can see here, there are a lot of animations that are getting loaded here. For testing, let's use this animation right here. Just click on it. You will have this download button here. Just click on download and you can choose Lottie JSON file. Just click on it and you have to log in with Google, or if you have already logged in, you will not have it. Okay, so I am just logging in right now. So once you have logged in, just click on this download button again and Lottie JSON. That's it. So now the file has been downloaded. Okay. Now just go to the Finder and you will have the downloaded data here. We can just rename it first. We can just rename it to animation. Okay. And we can drag it to the assets folder here. Okay. After doing that, we have a sample code which is given by them, so we can just try that code here. Okay, we can just copy this code and we can paste it here. So in the source, what we will give is, we will just add require and the path. That means where the animation.json file is stored. So source is equal to require. So it will be a single dot. Okay. Then assets / the name of the animation. So animation.json. Okay. So if you want to enable autoplay, once the app has been rendered, if you want that animation to play, you can just put autoplay. Okay. If you want it to loop it, or it should stop, just put loop. So it will basically rewind the animation over and over again, and we have to import it first. Okay, so for importing, import Lottie view from Lottie React Native. So if we save this, you see the animation that got loaded here. if you want to like put any other animation, you can search for animations here, or you can also create animations using other softwares and you can implement in Lottie files. Okay, once you have implemented, you can also use this package to implement that same animation in your application. Thank you guys. So subscribe to my channel for more videos.